One of the questions I get asked all the time is, how do I geotag my photographs? I teach this in one of my classes, but I'm going to show you here real quick. So you go to GeoImager, it's geoimgr.com. You get your picture that you want. Maybe it's a house that you have for sale. And then you drop your pin over inside your service area right here. I usually like to zoom in, make sure I'm in the right spot. Okay, you can't use this if you're using the free version of this system. And then down here where it says keywords and tags, this is where I would copy my service areas from my Google Business profile and my list of keywords. And then if this was a property, I would drop in my property description or whatever description I have for whatever document it is. So right now I have the best food trucks in DFW. Okay, so once I've got my pin in the right location and keywords and my description of whatever it is I'm going to post, then I write my tag and then I download. And then I'm going to name this. I'm going to put it in my Google Business folder so I know it's already geotagged. Best food trucks picture. And then save. That's it.